this video, I'm just going to show you how to complete the activity for the challenge this week for the family history activity that the CHO has posted. So here I am at familysearch.org. To get here, you just put this into your web browser, and I haven't signed in yet, so I'm going to click on sign in. And in this case, it remembers who I am, but you'll have to enter your username and password. If you have any problems logging in, please let me know or contact one of the CHOAs, and we can help you to get your login issues resolved. So I'm going to click sign in, and that brings me to my personal home screen and brings up all sorts of things. There's an interesting family photo that just popped up I'll have to take a look at. But for this activity, I'm going to go to activities. If you haven't seen these activities, I strongly encourage you to check them out. There's a lot of really cool stuff that you can do with your family, and especially for those of you who have completed a lot of the work already for your ancestors. These activities like Compare a Face will be even richer for you because you'll have a lot more photos that you can compare against, and you'll better understand that if you check it out. Now, you may not see the same items here in this menu, so just click on all activities. Based on the ones that you've already selected, that's where these other items will come from. So if you've already gone to one of these activities, then it will adjust the contents of this menu. So for this week, go ahead and find the activity called Record My Story, which is right here on my screen. And so you can just click on this. And there are a bunch of different subjects. So you can see there are 9 sections, and you can, one of those is to create your own. So we want you to answer at least one question from 7 of these. So go ahead and pick whichever ones you want. I just clicked on the first one here. And so basically you'll select a question, like, tell about a leadership role you had. And then when you click this button, it's going to capture the audio from your microphone. Now, it's important that you use a device that has a microphone, or you can connect a microphone from a USB headset, which is what I'm using right now. Now, because I'm screen recording, I'm not sure if this is going to work if I click on this button, because it's already recording my voice for something else, or for this video. You can also type a response if you want, and you can put in your story and then just follow the instructions. I just exited out of that, but follow the instructions, and that's how you can complete the activity. And then afterwards, it'll bring you back to one of the other stories, and just go ahead and complete 7 of them. And that's all for this activity this week. All right, thanks.